Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Bhindi Kai Sabji. First, ensure your okra is completely dry after washing. This is crucial to avoid a slimy texture. Next, trim both ends of the okra pods and slice them into uniform 1-inch pieces. Now, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or kadai over a medium flame, preparing for the initial sauté. Once your oil is hot, carefully add the prepared okra pieces to the pan. Sauté them for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. You'll notice the okra becoming slightly tender and losing its stickiness. This step is key for a great texture. After it's cooked to your liking, remove the okra from the pan and set it aside for later. Now, in the same pan, add 1 more tablespoon of oil. Sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it turns translucent and lightly golden. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste, cooking until its raw aroma disappears. Next, add your spices: half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook these for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Finally, return the sautéed okra to the pan, mixing it thoroughly with the aromatic spice base. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Stir in half a teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic finish. Garnish your delicious Bhindi Kai Sabji with fresh cilantro before serving it hot with your favorite roti or rice. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.